unboxing, more unboxing. So tonight I want to show you my another unboxing, very big unboxing tonight. So I want to show you what the inside of my unboxing tonight, guys. You see what's the inside this. So for my unboxing tonight, guys, I want to share this to the people near to me. So I want to share because of Hari Raya. I want to give the people near to me this unboxing tonight. So I want to share this, if what the inside of this unboxing. So I want to give this to the people near to me. So this is for Hari Raya, maybe like sedekah for myself. From myself, so I give to the people. So I give to the people this my unboxing tonight, guys. So I want to show you what the inside this. Then yeah, inside this my unboxing tonight, I want to give this to the people, but the people near on me, the people near to me. That's why I give. So I want to show you what the inside. Here it is. Wait a while. I want to get this. This is it. So, what the inside of this unboxing? So I want to give this to the people because it's for Hari Raya. I share the blessing for the two people. I want to share my blessing to people. So to give this, I ordered this from Shopee. So this is not mine. I ordered this I share my blessings to people. So this is it. What the inside of this is not mine. So I want to share to the people near to me. So this is it. Come on, guys. See, this is it. This is my unboxing. Hi, this is it. Open. Excited what inside this. So I want to share this to the people near on me. I buy this. Maybe this t-shirt. So if this t-shirt I want to give the two people. Share the blessings. Share the blessing, guys. Careful. Life of restock. Careful. Open is careful. It's very, wow, nice one. This shop is very net. The name of the shop is but this is t-shirt. This one t-shirt bearer. So or yes, the t-shirt bearer. All viral t-shirt. Order this from Shopee. I've ordered this from Shopee, guys. So I want to share my blessings to other people. So I've ordered this. Share guys, because of the Hari Raya, have blessings, more share. Oh, difficult. But it's okay. I have scissors. Hari Raya. Order this from Shopee, so I have name. That's Rizda. Rizda, my life of Rizda. This is, yeah, this is shirt. The random t-shirt. Random color shirt. Random color shirt, guys. So, I want to share this to people, guys. Only, yes. This is it. Random color shirt. The all random color shirt, guys. I want to share this to people. So, I want to count how many pieces. One. One is fila. Fila, fila. Fila is one. Number two is Adidas. Adidas. Random color. Number three is, what is this? Puma. Puma. Four. Adidas. Five. Adidas again. Six. What is this? Same Adidas. 1949 Adidas. This is not expensive, guys. But I want to share this to the people near only because I don't have a lot of money or what. So only this. Only this I have. So I want to share this to people for this Hari Raya. Levi's. Levi's, guys. The number what later? Lately also number. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shirt lately. 6. This is the Levi's is 7. 7. Adidas is 8. Again, Adidas again. 8. Adidas again. 9. 9. 10. 10 already. So I give 10 people. 10 people already. 10. 11. Puma again. 12. This is it. 12. This is it. 13. And then 14. 15. So, this is all my unboxing tonight. This is all my random color t-shirt tonight. My unboxing. I want to give this 15 unboxing shirt. I want to give 2 people for my share my blessing. Share blessing to people. I want to give this the 15 unboxing shirt. So this is it, guys. I hope you always share your blessing also. Even you're rich or poor, you must, if you have a little bit blessed, you must share the blessing. So I share my blessing for Hari Raya. This is Hari Raya. To Ramadan, for Ramadan shirt. This is a Ramadan shirt. I want to share this Ramadan 15 pieces t-shirt to. I want to give the 15 people. So this is it. I want to share the people. So wait, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 random color shirts. So don't forget to always share the blessings, and you always pray and be thankful always. Thankful always to God because He always give the blessing. Blessing is the best for me. I hope guys you don't forget to like and subscribe to share my videos. I hope you want my video tonight. My random color shirt, unboxing random color shirts. The random unboxing color shirt for you. Sanitizer again. Coronavirus. Sanitizer. Because I'm always using Dettol. Dettol for me. Always using Dettol. So, make your whole body safe every day. And where you going? If you go to outside your home and go inside your home, you must go take shower. That to make your family safe and clean. So that's all my advice to become advice girl. I want to tell you my experience because before you see my video before, I have friend passed away because of the coronavirus. That's why I think of him very sad. Then now I want to tell you all, be careful, take care, and don't forget to always pray. Pray to God and be thankful for every day you're still alive. So don't forget guys, pray always. Then you must share your blessing also. If you have blessing, a little bit blessing, you must share to people. So this is it. I want to share to people near on me because I don't have a lot of money to give another more people. So I want to give this a 50 shirt to thankful to God. I have blessings on my life, so I give this to people near on me. 15 people on me. T-shirt only guys. I'm thankful for that I'm still alive. But here in Bintulu place now, it's still lockdown guys. Which is okay. Hati-hati semua. Di mana tempat pun kamu berada harus hati-hati. Pasal kita punya seluruh negara sekarang selalu ada coronavirus. But harus hati-hati. Hati-hati. Malitok, hati-hati. Philippine, mag-ingat po kayo. The English, be careful every day, every hour, and every minute. But you always pray. Magdasal po tayo. Huwag kalimutan si God. Selalu berdoa. Jangan lupa berdoa di atas. Pray always. Kalau ada bless, kamu bersedekah. Kalau ada blessing datang di kehidupan, share the blessing. Tapi ka wala drama na tunay na. Thank you to always there for me. This is me again, Life of Rista. This is my random color shirt. My random color shirt, unboxing shirt. 50 pieces unboxing shirt. So, this is it. Thank you. Life of Rista. These are all called size M. Ito, size M. M. Maybe I find the people na size M. Because this is it, only the people, small people, not the big people. Not the big people, I give this one. So, because size M only. Not the big people, everyone. So, thank you. Don't forget, guys. Share. More blessing to come. I hope to I have blessing. I hope to I have more blessing to come. Then I can help people. If I have blessing to, I share to my blessing to other people. So thankful to God. But now, love you all. Bye-bye.